Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Samantha, and today I'll be teaching you how to bleach your skin with the Caro White Bleaching Cream. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment down below if you don't like the Caro White. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, I'm going to get right into the information to tell you how you can get super white. So first of all, you're going to get a active charcoal soap so you can get to exfoliate your skin because you want to put the bleaching cream on a clean face and you don't want no pimples and them be a bag of something there. Then you're going to get a Clara White jar bleaching cream, and you're going to ensure that you also have other products such as the papa gel. Yes, guys, I have to have this gel. Radiate it, and it has in aloe vera, and aloe vera is good for the skin. Then you're going to have as well a African formula. Yo, me use the African formula, I tell you. This is one of the products that I used before. I tell you, it is amazing. Yo, you have to have this. Now the milk protein skin toning gel. You have to throw one of them the Clara White. Yo, I bleach, I turn it one, turn up, Yo, you have to have that. Yes. So as me just press on the African formula, make sure you get one or two African formula and then throw in the jar cream, you see me? And then you're going to get the strong, the strong, very strong tamarind. Tamarind, you have to be careful how you use tamarind. You have to use it with caution sign. Use half of the tamarind in your cream and make sure, if you want to turn up a little more, you throw the whole light in there. And then you use the baby oil so you not get no stretch mark from the something. You see me? Well, this is the end of the remedy. Well guys, thank you so much for watching my channel. Please like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you have any questions about this nice remedy. Share with your friends and your family, and I have more videos on my platform. You can go ahead and check them out, and remember to come back tomorrow and come watch more video because I will be uploading. I assure you I will be uploaded. So come back. Bye guys.